Here we go.
It's a perfect day for wing gliding. Let's hope it stays that way.
Oh crap. Let's go.
That launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. Okay, nothing else goes
Here we
on.
go.
Here it goes. With these wings, you'll soar over bird just like a dragon. Good after fishy after.
Yeah! Oh! Oh! Let's go!
Stay calm.
Oh!
Sights on the way down.
Oh! Oh! Here we go.
Yay! There's nothing alarming or horribly terrifying about that.
Oh!
Let's just keep moving.
Uh-oh.
Dan, if I was kidding, we need to get out of here. And they're out. Okay, and
Oh! 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 Yes!
that was some fancy flying you just showed off. You can
Whoa.
join Toothless and me for a ride anytime. But just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us. Yeah.